Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany, and in today's video I have something fun and different for you. Today we are going to be doing a fun what I wear to work. I'm going to show you five. I always do this like with both my hands. I'm going to show you five of my work outfits. I'm just going to take you along every single morning as I'm getting ready for work, and I'm going to show you what I wear to work every day. Today's Monday when I am filming this right now. I just got myself up and ready to go, and I also wanted to take a quick second before we go any further to thank today's video sponsor, Motivate. I have talked to you guys about Motivate in the past. Please excuse my morning voice, but I've talked to you about Motivate in the past. This is a woman-owned company that offers fantastic supplements, and I love one supplement in particular, and I use it 5 days a week, sometimes 7. And that is the pre-workout burn. I've talked about this before. This is absolutely my favorite thing to take when I need a boost of energy, but I don't want all of the calories. This is 0 sugar, 0 calories. It's technically a pre-workout. However, I use it on work mornings to replace my morning coffee because it is sugar-free. So if I don't want those extra calories, the coffee that I make every morning, I do an espresso with some hazelnut creamer. It's usually somewhere around 130 to 150 calories. So it's a significant amount of calories where I could do this, and it's 0 calories. It gives me some good nutrients to help me focus. It helps me burn fat and keeps me full longer, which is great when I am trying to lose weight. You guys know I've been on a weight loss journey. If you've missed my previous videos, definitely check those out. I just hit 50 pounds down, and I am super thankful for Motivate to help me stay motivated. And when I'm not using this in the morning before work, on the weekends, I like to use this as a pre-workout, as it's meant to be, to help get me through a longer workout. During the week, I definitely stick to more like a 30-minute workout, where on the weekends I can do an hour, sometimes an hour and a half, and having burn helps me get that energy that I need. Motivate offers all other types of supplements as well. So if you're in need of a greens or something like that, definitely check out their website. I will have it linked for you down below. And if you use my code Tiffany20, you're going to get 20% off your entire order. So make sure that you are checking that out. Again, this is what I love. This is the burn pre-workout. I need to order more. I think I'm gonna do the cotton candy next because that sounds absolutely delicious, but I've really loved the orange. It's great in the morning and helps me to, like I said, get that energy I need for my workday, but without all of the calories. I really appreciate that. So thank you, Motivate. Appreciate you partnering with me again in today's video. With all that said, we're gonna head into my bedroom and I'm gonna show you my outfit for today. I will try to link anything that I can in the description box down below. If you have questions about any of my clothes that I don't link or anything like that, let me know. I'll try to say where everything is from, and I'm going to try to stick this week with clothes that I can link for you. If I can't, I'll let you know, like if it's from TJ Maxx or something like that, but I'm going to try to stick to things that I can link because that will be the best for you so that you can snag any of these things as well. So let's go into the bedroom. Let me show you my outfit. Okay, so we're here in my room. I've got this great mirror. I showed you guys this recently. This is from Walmart. I picked this up from Walmart. Last time I tried to link this, it was completely sold out, but I will link it for you anyway. But here is my outfit for today. So if you didn't know, I am a school counselor. That is my day job, Monday through Friday. And I have to dress comfortably. I am not required to dress in business casual. However, it is ideal. I am a little wrinkly today. I'm just realizing this top is from Chic Soul. It's an online store that I love to shop from. This is one of the tops that I got on there. It's a beautiful like pink linen-y top. I apologize for the lighting. It's just really early in the morning. But it is kind of like a flowy peplum style, if you will, in this really pretty pink. I love a pink like this. I feel like I'm kind of a spring gal. I like spring colors, and this is definitely one of them. For my bottoms here, I've got like a capri situation going on. These are from, where are these from? These I think are from TJ Maxx. They've got a little front pocket here and I love that. And then my shoes are from Walmart. And I always joke that they're my granny shoes because they're like, you know, I don't know, a little like sandal situation, but they are ridiculously comfortable. I bought them this summer. I don't know if I'm going to be able to link them. They are pretty granny style, but they are unbelievably comfortable, and that's perfect for me when it comes to having to run around all day at work. So that is what I am wearing today. I love these pants. They are like I don't even know what kind of material this is. They're a little like shiny. They have a stretchy waistband, so they're incredibly comfortable. And these are probably my most favorite pants. I wear them literally every single week, at least once a week. And they're just so incredibly comfortable. And my son Griffin told me this is his favorite dress that I own. And I had to tell him it's not a dress. It's technically a top, although it is getting awfully big. The one thing that I'm missing is my lanyard. I wear a lanyard every single day, so I'm gonna go grab that and put that on. Let's talk about jewelry. So I keep it super light. Today I am wearing just a little, like, I don't know, little hoop. I wear these almost every single day. So that's probably, and I always have my Apple Watch, which I need to change the background right now. It's full, but this is from Amazon. I always have this linked for you down below. I get asked a lot about it, but I like that it looks a little bit fancier. So that's what I have going on for today. I will link everything I can from today's outfit for you down below. Now I got to get to work. Okay, good morning, my friends. It is Tuesday now, and today I have a very important meeting with a family, so I am dressed in a dress today. I don't always wear a dress, but this is from Old Navy. It's a cute black, like linen blend dress, and I adore this dress. It's got pockets. It's got this super cute, like puff sleeve situation going on. I absolutely adore it. I've got it paired today with a cute pair of mules. These are from Target, I believe. I believe they're from Target. And I just think they're really cute. And when I'm trying to look, you know, a lot nicer or dressier, I don't always dress up, but when I have a meeting with a family or something, I will. I hope the lighting is okay. I'm probably gonna have to film like this every morning. It's just so gloomy. And when I looked back at yesterday's footage, I realized that was not the best. And I also have to look at the camera so I can see where it's pointing. But yeah, this is just a super cute dress. And fun fact about this dress, I bought this over the summer and it was too small when I bought it, but now it fits and I'm very, very happy about that. I just absolutely think it's adorable. I think it's very flattering. And if I can link it, I will. Hopefully I can, or I can find something very similar. For the earrings today, I am just wearing a basic hoop. Those are from Walmart. And again, just my same watch that I am listening to a YouTube video on. And that is it. So here is Tuesday's outfit and ready to go to work. Okay, hello my friends. Welcome to Wednesday's outfit. Keeping it business casual again today. I've got this great like ribbed sweater that I picked up at Walmart. Sorry for the lighting. Picked this up at Walmart and I have it in both this color and like a rusty orange. But today I'm gonna pair it with my sweater or my jacket, my shack. I'm gonna show you here in a second. These pants are technically, I think, some kind of like legging situation. I don't know. They're from, where are they from? They're from not Home Goods. They're from TJ Maxx. I've got a cat here. There we go. They're from TJ Maxx and they've just got this nice like elastic tummy top. They're so comfortable. They are big now. So I'm going to need to find a smaller pair, but I just think that they look very nice and they are ridiculously comfortable. I've got them paired with another mule. These are from Walmart, you guys. They're just, and I've had them for 101 years. Like, I don't know how, I've probably had them for 2 or 3 years. But I love them. They're a little scuffed up and they could use a little love, but I love these. I love the gold detail on them. There's Tallulah coming to say good morning. But I am very, very comfortable. Let me go ahead and put on my jacket. For my earring situation, I just have those fun little tiny hoops on. I can't get a good shot of them, but let me go ahead and put on my jacket. Okay, here is the finished look. I will most likely wear this jacket all day long. This is from Walmart. I recently picked this up. I love this so much. It's this beautiful, like creamy beigey color. I am obsessed with it. They have it in other colors and I'm thinking about picking one up because I love it that much. It is so warm and cozy. It comes down, you know, good in the back. So it covers your tush, keeps you warm, but I just love this. And I think that it pulls the whole outfit together and you could wear this with boots if you wanted to. I just really like a mule for work. I think they look nice, even though they're not like, you know, super fancy. But that's the whole fit for today, friends. Super easy. And I am running ridiculously late, so I have got to run, but happy Wednesday. Let's get it done. Okay, my friends, happy Thursday. Here is my outfit, but I am feeling like I might need to change one of these. This is my first time putting these pants on in a long time, and they fit. They're nice. They're big. They're stretchy. This is a stretchy pant from TJ Maxx maybe, but I feel like they're a little big now, like, you know, which is fine. They're a trouser, but I think with this top, which is also now a little big, the top is from Walmart. I love it. And it's got these really sweet sleeves. Let me see. God, the lighting in the morning is terrible, but it's got these great little sleeves, and a cute, like, ruffled neckline, which is super cute. However, I'm feeling like everything just looks a little big. I don't know. I am very comfortable, but I feel like everything is looking a little like oversized. Like the top is a little oversized. I don't know. Let me see if I can find like a sweater to pair with it. That maybe, because I feel like it could be like this. Like that would be a better fit than this oversized situation. But the top is so cute. And let me see if I can find a sweater. Okay, guys, I just put on a top that I just recently picked up from Amazon. What are we thinking? It's one of those like sweater tops. I don't know. I actually think it's pretty nice. I don't know. It's a little like snugger than I'm used to. I don't normally wear clothes this snug. But I think it's really cute, and I couldn't find, everything I own right now is a little too big. So I feel like I just recently picked this up and I really like it. Tell me what you think. I feel like it's showing, like these have like a belt loop situation. So I feel like it's showing a lot of that, but I don't know. I feel like, oh, it's cute. It's kind of the same color as my skin though. Okay, let me try a different top. Okay, here's trial number 3. I feel like this little leaf right here makes it look like my pants are cargo pants. They're not. But it might be the pants, y'all. I might not be able to wear these pants. I don't know. They look nice now. This is like a little tee from Target. I have it in like 7,000 different colors. And it's got this great little like detail on the sleeve. I don't know. It's very wrinkly. So I need to go pop it in the dryer. But I don't know. This is pretty cute. What do you think? Oh, I don't know. The pants might just not be it. I don't know. Maybe it's because they're making me feel frumpy. I have this section right here, you know, from having a bunch of babies, just keeping it 100% real. But I hear my cats having the zoomies. But I do like this a lot. I think I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna go pop this into the dryer so that these wrinkles here in the middle go away. I know that we're not doing the front tuck anymore, but I am finally feeling confident enough to do the front tuck. So guys, the front tuck is with me for a little while. And I feel like it just helps my outfit look a little nicer, but you can tell I've got like, you know, the mom belly, the fupa, whatever we want to call it. This may be the one only time I wear these pants before I get rid of them. You tell me what you guys think. But all right, I don't have time to mess around anymore. I gotta go to work. Hello, my friends. Happy Friday. Here's outfit number 17,000. I actually don't know. I know I changed my clothes a couple times, but this is my outfit for today. This is a super cute sweater that I picked up at Walmart. I feel like I should front tuck it again with my mom belly, but I feel like it just looks a little nicer. Maybe not. We'll just keep it untucked. But this is outfit number, sorry for the lighting. I'm so sorry for the lighting, but this is outfit number 5. Today is like a jeans day at work. I wanted to be a little bit more comfortable. So I am going with this cute sweater. This is from Walmart. Almost my whole outfit is from Walmart. My hair is so dirty. But these jeans are from Walmart. My sweater is from Walmart. It's actually a men's sweater that I think is like a really good dupe for Ralph Lauren. Sorry for the lighting. There's just no lighting. But yeah, that is my outfit for today. I've got my favorite sneaks on. These are my Hokas. Guys, I love these things. They're the best. I know a lot of you have purchased them. You have to let me know what you think, but they're my favorite shoes. So I'm gonna be real happy at work today. But this is what I've got going on. So I think this sweater is so dang cute. You could dress it up, dress it down. You could put like a little collar underneath to make it even cuter. I need to put some earrings in. I haven't done that yet. Can't even see me. I don't know how to do this, guys. I don't know how to film like this. I never film like myself, but anyway, that's what I'm wearing. The one thing I will say about this sweater is that the neckline is pretty snug because it's a men's, so it like goes up a lot higher. I feel like, oh my God, you guys, my hair. I need to wash it. But the neckline does go up a lot higher, but I still think it's cute. And I wish I could stand like those cute girls on Instagram. I don't know how they do it, but that is it. Just so I like it. Okay, my friends, thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. I hope that this was fun, something different. You guys are always so very kind in the comments asking me about my clothes and that kind of thing. So I'm just really excited to be able to share this with you. I just made my burn drink for Friday. So I'm gonna drink this. I wanna, again, give a huge thank you to Motivate for partnering with me in today's video. Again, remember my link is down below. I always have it down below. With my code Tiffany20, you're gonna get 20% off, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day, my friends.